I just wanted to share a quick teardown video with y'all. I went looking for something like this, specifically to hack for my own purpose, and I found this for $5 at your local hangout, and I thought it was a pretty good deal. It lights up, it does what it's supposed to, it lights up, and it shoots bubbles, and that's, I bought it to shoot bubbles, and I got a closer look at it. I thought it was pretty damn interesting, so I thought I'd open her up and show you what it looks like. Alright, I split the case and separated major electrical components. You've got your basic on-off switch here. You have a little LED light bar. And then here's the interesting part. This is the actual bubble blowing mechanism. You have a little peristaltic pump right there, a little wiper. When I open it up, you'll see the gear train, hopefully, if everything doesn't fall apart. And there's a little worm gear attached to the motor, backside of the motor, that drives the gear train to run everything up front, and in the back there's a little fan. I just wanted to run this up real quick so you could get a look at it. There's the wiper. There's the little pump pumping away, and there's your fan. It's blowing around, blowing air down a little duct right there, and out through that bottom half. And I'm going to start this disassembly with this tube here already pulled out of this cap. And basically, the output of the pump goes to a little nozzle back here, and this whole assembly just slides right off like that. There's a little, I don't know, octagonal or hexagonal shaft that turns this wiper. The fluid comes in through this hole into this, through this nozzle, and coats this inner tube, inner ring, and the wiper wipes a film over that inner ring, and then the air blows out. And this plastic shell on the outside is catches the overflow and runs it back into the bottle. And looks like the gearbox is held together with little plastic clips. So I'm going to unclip those off camera in case it all falls apart. There won't be a video record. You know, before I split it, I just wanted to point out that I mean, if you look closely, you can kind of see the ductwork right here, and that's what's called a convergent duct. So it creates a high velocity stream that comes out the front to blow the bubbles. And that is a hexagonal shaft being driven by this gearbox. Alright, here's a look at the fan here and its ductwork and the gear train. I think it's pretty damn cool. The next thing I gotta do is take the gear train out and expose the pump. But this little crown gear at the front just rides in a slot in the plastic, in a round slot, and comes right out. It goes right there. But this gear comes out first. It's gonna get messy. Now I'm not sure what's going to happen here. And there's your pump. Might be challenging to get back together, but isn't that pretty? That is just a cool design. And I got 3 more of them out of the bargain bin at the Yahoo store for $2 a piece. And I just can't imagine getting something like this at $2 a unit. I don't know how you make it for $2 a unit. Well, the gears went back in without any trouble. And I think that this just gonna snap together. That simple. I mean, I think anyone with a little skill could assemble one of these. It's harder to videotape it while you're... I'm sorry. Alright, now I gotta reshoot the whole damn thing because I said video. Yeah, I think it's a pretty cool little product for $2. Quite a bit going on there for $2. Shoot. I don't know if y'all noticed when I opened that gearbox up, but it was full of grease. Now that's something you won't find in a Harbor Freight tool.